Hello friends, this is our 8th video of arithmetic progression. In previous videos, we have learnt the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where we were used to calculate the first term a, common difference d, the general term an, or the number of terms n. In today's video, we will learn the formula of sum of n terms of an AP. The terms are given to us, they are in AP, and we have to find out their sum. Like we are given the series 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. We have to add the terms when a fixed number of term is given to us. When we are given an AP series, we can simply add the terms. But how many we can add? We may make a mistake. Then for the shortcut, suppose we are given to find the sum of 100 terms. Then the calculation work is quite long. In that case, we will use the formula of sum of the series. The condition is the given series should be in AP. To derive the formula of sum of n terms of AP, we take a simple example. Suppose we are given the AP series 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. To add these sums, we write it as capital S. S is equal to 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16. In the second step, we are reversing the terms and again writing it as capital S equal to 16 plus 14 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8. Just the order of terms is reversed. Then we add these two equations term by term. On the left hand side, we will have s plus s 2s. In the right hand side, 8 plus 16 first term, 10 plus 14 second term, 12 plus 12 third, 14 plus 10 fourth term and 16 plus 8 is the fifth term, the last term of given sequence. Now adding the terms, we get 2s equal to 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 and plus 24, total 5 times. It is 2s equal to 5 into 24. From here, s will be 5 into 24 upon 2. 2 cancels 24 at the table of 12. 5 into 12 is 60. So friends, here the 5 terms were given and their sum s is 60. Now what happens when the number of term is more than 5? The calculation work will be long. To avoid those calculations, we have the formula of sum of n terms of AP. Let us derive that on the same grounds as we did the sum of these 5 terms. We know an AP series in terms of general term formula can be written as the series is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on up to a plus n minus 1 into d. We write capital S as the sum of these n terms as capital S equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 2 into d, a plus d plus a. This is the AP series given in reverse order. Then same procedure adding s and s. We have 2s equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d and so on up to 2a plus n minus 1 into d, all the terms added up to n times. Because these are n terms, we can write n common and equation becomes 2s equal to n common 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And from here, we are having the formula of sum of n terms equal to n bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d upon 2. Or we can say that capital S equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the sum of n terms of given series whose terms are in AP. Please take the screenshot of this page. Now we know an was the general term a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, from formula of S, we split 2a as a plus a. It becomes S is equal to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d, that was L, the last term. Therefore, the shortcut formula when we are having the last term of the series, formula of sum of n terms will be n by 2 bracket a plus L. Here a is the first term, L is the last term. This formula is applicable only when we are having the number of terms with us and the last term is also given to us. So we have two formulae of sum of n terms of AP. The first formula is S is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and the second formula is S is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus L. In the first formula, common difference is must, and in the second formula, d is not required. Only the thing required is the last term. So friends, in today's video, we learnt in an AP series how can we find the sum of all the terms. The formula is applicable for any number of terms. So friends, in AP till now we have done the formula for general term and the formula for n terms of AP series when first term, n, common difference and last term are given. Please continue making your notes and try to solve the similar problems from your course book also. If you have any queries, you can write to us in our comment box. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more videos. That is all for today. Work hard and stay safe. Bye bye.